Hey there, it's the Suffering Student here, and today we're going to be talking about the DatePicker. And we're working with JavaFX and using the tool Scene Builder and working inside the IntelliJ IDE. So if you don't have a JavaFX application running inside IntelliJ, there'll be a link down in the description. So I already connected my sample FXML document to Scene Builder, which allows me to get the DatePicker, which is a pretty simple tool which allow me to pick just a date. And I will give it an IDE, just a normal ID, to be able to actually access the date we will be able to pick later. Let's just call it DatePicker. And I'll create a simple application where I have a button. And when I click the button, I will just print the date picked inside the DatePicker into the console. So for the button, I will choose on mouse clicked, call it get date. There we go. And I will save, and I will show skeleton for sample FXML, copy and paste it inside my controller. I will then import the mouse event, and I will just simply access my DatePicker and print to the console. And just to showcase what kind of object type DatePicker would return, it actually returns something called a local date, which is part of the time package from Java. So local date time equals DatePicker.get value, and then we just print it to the console. So now when I run the program, I can access with this little menu any kind of date, but let's first check if no date has been picked. We'll actually just get a null value. But if I pick any other date, for example, this one, I would first get the year, the month, and the date. Like this is the 18th of February. And so on. I can change to April. Let's change the year. Like that. And it works pretty simply. So it's just a very simple tool which would allow you to get any kind of date picked. And you can pretty easy access it by using the getValue method. So that's the basics of the DatePicker. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.